G'day, Darren Stevens here this morning. I'm coming to you from Hobart. I've over here for a short trip, and I've managed to free up a day to come out and take bird photos, and I've set myself the target of trying to find and photograph the pink robin. Before coming here, I've done a bit of research on eBird, selected a few spots where I thought I had the best chance of finding them, and I've started an area called the Springs, which is just a few kilometres below the Mount Wellington summit. It's a great spot. If you ever come across here, I definitely recommend coming up this way and having a look. The scenery is breathtaking, and there's a lot of birds as well. So I thought I'd just put a quick video together of my endeavours, try and show you a bit of the scenery around here as well, and hopefully I can get some videos and photos of some of the beautiful birds that live up this way. It was worth my while just including a brief section on the habitats where you're going to find pink robins. So during the summer months, you're going to find them in these fern-lined gullies and in the deeper and darker parts of the forest. And then in the winter months, they start to move out into the edges of the forest on the interface really between more cleared areas and then tall forest. And that's certainly been true for this trip, winter time now. And I've done a few walks in these beautiful ferny gullies. Haven't heard any robins at all. As soon as you get near the edge of the forest, you start hearing them and seeing them. So if you're out looking for them, I guess you need to know where to look for them and just be aware that they do move with the seasons. Probably wondering by now whether or not I've had any success. I'm very happy to say that I have, and managed to find at least 4 different pink robins during the day.